IFFE Expo 2024 with FS Curtis. It is a US-based company, manufacturers of air compressor. And with me is Mr. Sachin Jagtap, territorial manager of this company. And we would like to ask some questions to him. May I know what is the company actually about? What's the backstory of it?
Basically, it is a US-based company. It is started from St. Louis at 1854. Okay, so almost it is 180 years old company, and we have a different kind of product range. We have oil-free compressors, oil-free reciprocating compressors, oil-free oil-free reciprocating, oil-free screw machines. We have oil-injected screw machines. Even we are manufacturer of a booster air compressor. We are supplying these compressors in Electra Bus, BYD, Tata Motors. So this kind of product profile we have.
What makes this compressor unique?
Actually, we have a latest gear profile, that is 5x6 rotor profile, which will deliver the higher CFM at a lower RPM. This kind of profile will give the more efficiency to the customers. The cost of the product will reduce, and the efficiency of that machine will goes on higher side.
How you're feeling at this IFFE Expo today, and like
Actually-
what kind of response you're getting?
मुझे पता नहीं था कि मतलब इतना अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स जो है वो इस एक्सपो में मिलेगा. मीन्स फर्स्ट डे में भी अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स मिला. सेकंड डे एक्चुअली कल जो रिस्पॉन्स था, मतलब यहाँ पे MIDC में मोस्टली हॉलीडे होता है कल, तो कल अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स था. तो आज भी हम एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं कि अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स जो है हमें मिलेगा.